So I hope every one of you doing fine. Some people, some are no names. I met you guys a few days back when we had an open webinar for GS. What our strategy should be when the film's notification was out that it is being postponed now, and it is scheduled to be held on 10th of October, right? But this particular webinar, we are going to concentrate more on optional, more at the psychology, right? Because we are going to be planning to have a crash course, so we would be giving you some good advice, uh, wherein you can, if you plan your studies around those suggestions, we hope that you can have a good decent results in time to come. And we are also expecting a guest, one of our student, Gaurav Sharma, who has appeared in civil services interviews. This year also he is giving civil services interview from psychology optional, and he has already secured a position with a decent rank in Uttar Pradesh civil services examination, right? One of our other aspirant who has also cleared civil services examination from psychology, and he is Vikram Singh. We hope he could take out time from his busy schedule, because right now he's been posted in one of the hospitals in Delhi, and he has cleared. He's in Danic service as of now, right? So there are a number of stories which we have from our institute, from optional, from GS. So today, let's taking it forward. Let's discuss few things. I would start with a quote of the Shakespeare, wherein he says that the fault is not in our stars, but in ourselves. Right? What we are seeing that the the complete locus of control. So I would be using some of the vocabulary from the psychology optional so that it becomes a very interesting interaction, right? What we are seeing in present times is the exam has been complicated to such a manner. It is becoming so complex, or rather I would say some of the institutes and some people, they get a kind of sadistic pleasure in making it so complicated that the student or the aspirant, what they does in this process is the complete locus of control becomes external, while what I believe, the locus of control should be completely internal. Sorry, I forgot to introduce Ravika ma'am, who she would be taking the crash course, and I would also be giving my contribution in the crash course, right? So she has joined. I hope you people could see the video. Okay, what my point is that what you people have to do in civil services examination is, first of all, bring the locus of control inside. Until and unless you do it, you cannot expect good results in this exam. And at times I will be little crude, and it may offend some people, because I do not want people to simply put in 4, 5, 6 years of precious years of their life in this examination, and after that come out with no results. Whether you give mains, I have appeared in interviews, ma'am has appeared in interviews, whether you give interview, if you are not a civil servant, you are not a civil servant. But we learned from our experiences that we are sharing with you people right now. Okay, so first of all, have a mindset of a winner. Don't what we don't do what is required from an aspirant. We are not consistent in our approach, right? We are not consistent in our efforts. We don't take timely decision. For example, right now the exam has been postponed. What we will do, we will procrastinate, we will postpone our preparation. No, not at all required. You are expected to be consistent and regular in your preparation if you want to have results in civil services, if you want to see yourself as a civil servant. Otherwise we would be living in a fool's paradise, right? And we you people would be cheating yourself. I want a simple commitment from you people, that you have to commit 9 to 10 hours every day to your studies. I am not asking you more than that, that you devote 15 hours, 18 hours. No, not at all required and not possible. After a couple of months your brain will stop working, you will become a brain dead person, a mechanical person. No, right? So enjoy the process. First of all, shed your non serious attitude कि हमने कभी आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस कर ली, कभी हमने एक ग्रुप बना लिया उसमें आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस कर ली. No, it will not yield dividends. First, learn the nuances of this examination. 5 people are writing prelims, 15,000 odd people will clear prelims, right? Then out of 15,000 people, those who are best in their area, the competition lies in 6,000 to 7,000 people. Out of these people, 2,500 would be appearing in interview. Do you see yourself in the competition or not? First of all, so there are two broad parts of this examination. Leave aside the prelims as of now because we are discussing the mains perspective. As far as the mains perspective is concerned, two broad areas, GS and optional. There are three broad categories of the aspirants. कुछ ऐसे एस्पिरेंट हैं अभी जिनका पहला अटेम्प्ट है या जिन्होंने प्री क्लियर नहीं किया है. What is the biggest mistake that they make? That they never prepare for mains until they clear prelims. And trust me, there lies only a very minuscule of probability that they will clear this exam. Even if you are not clearing prelims in 2 to 3 attempts, are you preparing for mains or not? There lies the formula of success. The second category of aspirants, those who have written couple of mains but have not been able to clear it. There could be two possible reasons. Their GS is not good, their optional is not good, and they are poor in both the parts. And there could be other category as well. As in, GS was good, optional was bad, optional is okay, GS was bad. So you know better where the problem lies. If you could not score in GS and optional, this is the time to devote 2 months to your mains preparation. And third category of students, those who have cleared mains, have appeared in interview, but they could not make it to the final list. And when the marks came, they know where the problem is, whether it was interview or optional or essay or GS. If you are not doing this contemplation, if you are not doing this introspection, trust me, we are bound to fail. Nobody can make you a civil servant. I cannot make you a civil servant. I cannot promise to make you a civil servant. Who am I? I am not the authority to make you a civil servant. अगर ऐसा होता तो मैं तो तुम्हें स्टैम्प कर देता पहले ही दिन एनरोलमेंट के कि भैया जाओ तुम आईएएस हो मेरी तरफ से. Is it or not? So, taking an example from the failure of the governance, the second wave was on cards. And what we are seeing, the Namami Gange program was started to clean the river bodies. And what we are seeing today, the rivers are full of bodies. Is it or not? Why? Because we could not prepare when there was a time. The government had a sweet time to prepare. They could not. And the same thing could happen with you people. This is the time, if you choose not to prepare, the fault will lies in you and not in your stars. Okay. So I hope with this blasting start, I am giving the control to Ravika ma'am, and a few things she would let you know about the psychology optional. I will keep in coming in between, right? And sooner we would have Gaurav Sharma here, and so we will also ask him to join. Okay.
With that blasting start, I need to calm down things. Okay. So after the discussing about the categorization of students, let's quickly look down upon the strategy for these upcoming 3-4 months. That with God's grace, you have got that period wherein you are not stressed. The first thing is that you are not stressed कि अरे 2 महीने बाद प्रीलिम्स है, फिर प्रीलिम्स और मेंस का गैप कम हो गया. You just have got these 4 months wherein there is, I can say, least amount of pressure. हमारे पास टाइम है. We know that we have to prepare for mains. So it goes, I mean, without saying that yes, the time has come to gear your preparation towards mains. So उसके लिए बच्चे, the strategy should be that you should balance prelims with mains. And in mains, you need to balance your time for GS and optional as well, right? ये ऐसा time है बच्चे that you all need to cover at least 65 to 60% of the optional. You need to pick up the topics that are, you can say, they have wider connectivity, they have greater weightage. तो अगर हम if we pick up, you can say, the syllabus in a very strategic manner, just believe me, you will have that confidence to nail the things. तो हमारा काम क्या है अभी, दैट एक तो हमें अपना ऑप्शनल सिक्योर करना है, राइट? यू नीड टू फोकस अपॉन द इम्पोर्टेंट एरियाज. यू नीड टू मेक इट अ पॉइंट दैट यस, यू आर रीडिंग वाइड, ठीक? एंड एज फार एज जीएस इज कंसर्न, हमें उसको भी नहीं छोड़ना है, बिकॉज द it is likely that after your prelims, आपका मेंस और प्री का जो टाइम गैप है that will be less, probably 1.5 month or 2 months maximum, right? So उस टाइम में अगर हम सोचें कि हम आंसर राइटिंग भी कर लें, जीएस की आंसर राइटिंग कर लें, हम एसे भी पढ़ लें, हम एथिक्स भी पढ़ लें, हम जीएस के सब पेपर पढ़ लें, ऑप्शन भी रिवाइज कर लें, नहीं, ये नहीं हो पाएगा. सो दिस इज अ टाइम व्हेन यू नीड टू बैलेंस योर प्रिपरेशन. आपको जीएस, आपको प्रीलिम्स, आपको ऑप्शन सब लेकर चलना है, राइट? सो दिस शुड बी योर फोकस, दैट यू नीड टू कवर मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द एरियाज. और जीएस ऐसा पार्ट है, अगर आप प्री का कुछ कर रहे हो तो इट इज क्वाइट, आई थिंक 60% ऑफ द सिलेबस इज ओवरलैपिंग विद मेंस. आपको वो वैल्यू एडिशन आपका कॉन्टिन्यूसली चलेगा, सो स्पेयर सम टाइम आउट फॉर आंसर राइटिंग of GS as well, and just try to cover your ethics and essay, uski bhi answer writing, uski quick revision, start making those short notes, because in the end it is just those short notes, those you can say few pages that will help you, right? Then also there I wanted to discuss about a very you can say avid doubt among students, that हाउ टू स्कोर गुड इन साइकोलॉजी. सबका यही रहता है कि मैम मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, वी आर रीडिंग थिंग्स, वी आर डूइंग, सो व्हाट इज इट दैट वी शुड डू टू स्कोर गुड? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बिफोर टेलिंग यू एनीथिंग कि आप ये पढ़ो, ये बुक्स पढ़ो, ये आंसर राइटिंग करो, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई वांट टू टेल यू इज हाउ टू स्कोर गुड इन साइकोलॉजी इज दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू अंडरस्टैंड कि यूपीएससी आपसे डिमांड क्या कर रहा है. व्हाई ऑप्शनल? Why not only GS? Because GS में UPSC आपकी width check करेगा, the width of your knowledge. And in the optional, they will be checking the depth of your knowledge. कि आपको कितना deeply आपको चीजों का ज्ञान है, right? और आप अपनी रियल लाइफ से भी कनेक्ट करो कि अगर हम किसी भी चीज के ऊपर डीपली सोचते हैं, ड्वेल करते हैं, तो उसके लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? The first thing that you need is आपके पास वो फोकस होना चाहिए, दैट यस आई हैव टू रीड थिंग्स, यू हैव टू कनेक्ट, राइट? और दूसरी ये चीज होती है योर सेल्फ बिलीफ, दैट यस आई विल डू इट, मेरे पास वो शक्ति है कि मैं इसको कर सकता हूँ, ठीक है? एंड देन यू नीड टाइम. टाइम विद हुम? टाइम विद योरसेल्फ. ये यूपीएससी की जो जर्नी है बच्चे, ये क्लियर सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके अपने कर्मों से होगी. कितना आप हार्ड वर्क पुट इन कर रहे हो, कितना आप खुद को टाइम दे रहे हो, वो ही डिसाइड करेगा कि आप कितनी दूर तक जाओगे. कि आप सिर्फ प्री तक रुक जाओगे, या आप मेंस तक जाओगे, या आप इंटरव्यू के बाद एकदम बॉर्डर लाइन केस में वो आ जाओगे, राइट? सो यू नीड टू गिव टाइम. कोई भी क्लासेस हैं, कोई भी यू कैन से कोर्सेज हैं, दे कैन गिव यू अ डायरेक्शन टू थिंक, दे कैन सेव योर टाइम, राइट? बिकॉज एक इंसान, आई ऑलवेज से कि इंसान वही समझदार है जो खुद के एक्सपीरियंस से तो सीखे, लेकिन वो दूसरों के एक्सपीरियंस से भी सीख ले. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज दैट यू स्पेंड 3 years एंड देन यू रियलाइज दैट यस, जो हमें 3 साल पहले किसी ने बात कही थी वही सच है. यू हैव टू बी वेरी यू कैन से ओपन टू दीज थिंग्स. अगर लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस है, जस्ट देयर इज नो हार्म इन टेकिंग दैट. तो ये जो क्लासेस होंगी या कोर्सेज है या कुछ भी है, राइट, इट विल गिव यू अ डायरेक्शन, बट लेट मी मेक इट वेरी क्लियर, ये सब आपको खुद ही करना है. आपको क्लासेस में क्या बताया जा रहा है, उसके बाद अगर 2 घंटे की क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो, इफ यू वांट दैट यस योर पेपर शुड बी डिफरेंट, यू शुड बी एबल टू कनेक्ट, तो क्या है, आपको खुद के साथ वो समय बिताना पड़ेगा. यू नीड टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट, you need to spend another 2-3 hours on the same material, then try thinking कि मैं इसको कहाँ apply कर सकता हूँ. It's not that sitting down for 2 hours in the class you will be doing wonders. उसके बाद भी सब गेम कहाँ पे आता है? On your introspection, on your own efforts. आप कितना खुद एफर्ट करते हो चीजों को पढ़ने के लिए, उनको किस ज़ील के साथ आप चीजें पढ़ते हो. अगर हम किसी भी चीज को उस खुशी से करेंगे तो वो अपने आप ही रिजल्ट लाएगा. सो एवरीथिंग सम्स डाउन टू योर इनर कॉन्फिडेंस, योर यू कैन से द इनर पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेट्स दैट यू हैव. You need to take hand in hand about everything, right? देन कम्स द अदर एस्पेक्ट्स, जो एक्सटर्नल एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, जो यूपीएससी पूछ रही है या फिर जो यूपीएससी देखती है while evaluating your scripts, while evaluating you, because means is a projective test. It will reflect your personality. हम 1 घंटा में कुछ आंसर्स में बहुत अच्छा लिख लेंगे, बट व्हेन द टाइम प्रेशर कम्स, whatever you think, whatever your bent of mind is, it will get reflected for sure. हम इसकी कितनी भी ट्रेनिंग कर लें, it's very difficult, you know, old habits they die hard, and so is the same thing that आपका जो personality का inner core है, that remains consistent, relatively stable. It's those peripheral things with which we are in contact, they can make a change, right? But it's very difficult to change that inner thing. So you need to cultivate things on your own, right? So going again back to the question, how to go score good in psychology. So the first thing that you need to focus is that your answers, they should reflect the, you can say, the specific content matter of the subject. आपका specific आपका जो content है, you can say the S factor of Spearman is on the check, right? So वो चीज आपके answers में reflect होनी चाहिए. Yes, a standard optional paper has to be standard. Why? Because I told you, they will check your depth. आपका G factor general studies से check हो रहा है, आपका S factor is getting checked through your optional, and probably the interaction of both is getting checked in your essay and ethics paper, right? So उन चीजों को मद्देनजर रखते हुए you have to have that specific content vocabulary. और वो कैसे reflect होना चाहिए? Let's discuss that after a few minutes. The second thing that I want to tell you or want to share with you is that how you will score good is the ultimate key to scoring a good is completion of the paper. No matter what, you have to finish the paper in 3 hours. पेपर बीच में छोड़ दिया आपने, you 20, 30, 40 marks is unattempted and you have written brilliant answers, the rest of them, I think there will be some problem in clearing means. और अगर हो भी गया तो एक borderline case बनेगा. अगर आपके stars इतने strong नहीं है, that interview day doesn't go according to what you had expected, sorry to say, you'll again lose a year and a half. Just create that habit strength. अपनी एक automaticity लेकर आओ अपने writing के अंदर, that yes, whatever comes, you have to complete the paper. Because what I feel is over the years, I have seen that 60% of the people, they're not able to complete the psychology paper. Lengthy तो होता ही है, plus you need to connect, and needless to say सब options में ऐसा ही है, but yes, psychology में थोड़ा scope connectivity का ज्यादा रहता है, right? So it takes a toll. It's never that आप देखो अपने questions को analyze करो previous year papers के. Do you think कि आप कोई भी content material या कोई भी book पढ़ के are you 100% ready to write the answer there and then? कि हाँ, मैंने वो जो book में content पढ़ा था बस वो sufficient है answer लिखने के लिए. I don't think so. If you have seriously gone through them, जो UPSC dynamicity लेकर आ रही है अपने questions में, it is very evident that yes, you need a clarity of thought in the subject matter. तभी आप उन answers को बहुत dynamically handle कर पाओगे. Of course, 50-60% will be static, उसमें भी scope रहता है, but it is that 40% of the paper जो dynamic trend में set हो रहा है, that will make the difference. और उसी 40% को inculcate करने के लिए थोड़ा दम तो लगेगा, वही खुद के साथ बैठना पड़ेगा, राइट? आपके साथ आपके टीचर तो हैं, मेंटर तो हैं, दे कैन गाइड यू, बट आपको खुद ही करना है, ठीक? Then where was I? I was talking about that 60% thing. 60% of the people, they are not able to complete the paper. और जो rest 40% है, उस 40% में से भी आपके जो 25% हैं, क्योंकि पहले आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस नहीं करी है, ऑप्शन को इतने अच्छे से क्लैरिटी नहीं है, इतनी रिविजन नहीं हुई है, तो द आंसर्स डिस्पाइट कंप्लीटिंग द पेपर एक पुअर आंसर राइटिंग निकल कर आती है. द पेपर इज नॉट ऑफ गुड स्टैंडर्ड, राइट? देन आपके जो 5% है बचे हुए, दे विल राइट एवरेज आंसर्स एंड दे विल कंप्लीट द पेपर. सो देयर सिलेक्शन प्रोबेबली डिपेंड्स अपॉन कि आप कितना अच्छा इंटरव्यू में स्कोर कर पा रहे हो, कितना अच्छा जीएस में स्कोर कर पा रहे हो. So it depends on that. लेकिन जो बचे हुए 15% है out of those 40%, they write a little above average answers, and by writing just above average answers, they automatically get selected. Rule of elimination. Because बाकी लोगों ने पहले ही काम कर दिया, उनके लिए रास्ता खाली कर दिया, right? So हमारा focus क्या होगा? Writing average answers in GS, taking this time to do a good in ethics and essay, plus what you need to do is you need to learn to write a little above average answers. That's it. I'm not saying that brilliancy of content is required. You can say brilliant answer writing skills, beautiful handwriting, बस मोती पे रो दिए हैं. No. Everything has to be average. So what is you can say needed is your clarity of thought, your you can say the specificity of the content, the completion of the paper. Yes, Siddhant, I'm talking about the average answer writing or the normal answer writing skill, and this is what is required to score good even in psychology. After that, after a few minutes, we'll be discussing about the books that you need to read, and that is all that will make the difference. आपका जो बेस है आंसर राइटिंग का या फिर किसी भी चीज को अटेम्प्ट करने का, इट हैज टू बी द सेम, द अप्रोच इज द सेम. मैं भी आपको कुछ बहुत अलग या डिफरेंट नहीं बता दूंगी, but yes, I will tell you the pinpointed things that are required. Okay, so the third thing that is important is the presentation, the visual appeal of the paper to score good, because everybody likes neatness. Right? एक structured आंसर है, आंसर फ्लो में है, यू आर कनेक्टिंग थिंग्स, राइट? आपका क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट जो है, जो इट शुड बी रिफ्लेक्टेड. प्लस अबव एवरेज कैसे होगा? थोड़ा सा यूनिक perspective to your understanding, right? And you can say the uniqueness, the good examples, and a little bit of content differentiation. That will help you score good in psychology, right? It is not as I told you कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ बहुत out of the world नहीं चाहिए. It's just कि आपका deeper thought process चाहिए to link things, right? Let's talk about a little bit on the answer writing aspect, because that is what I'll be dealing with also. Because why am I saying कि आपको average चीजें लिखनी है, content पढ़ना है? Yes, भले ही आप limited books पढ़ें, but you should revise it in a manner कि वो फिर इतना clarity और flow में है that yes, after reading your answer, the examiner feels that yes, this person has that clarity that is needed. Because देखो ना, आपको एक 10 marker you have to write in 7 minutes. अगर हम average को लेकर आए, if we divide the time and the number of questions, it sums down to that you have to write the 10 marker in 7 minutes, right? The 15 marker in 10 minutes, and a long answer of around the 20 marker, you will have average I think around 14 to 15 minutes to write that. तो उस पॉइंट तक पहुंचने के लिए बच्चे सोचोगे कितनी मेहनत रिक्वायर्ड है. Of course, that yes, time is a huge challenge. Many of you are writing. Yes, Siddhant, it is in fact a huge challenge. तभी I am saying that you have to make that habit strength. हम साइकोलॉजी में पढ़ते हैं कि हम हैबिचुअल हो जाते हैं. So आपको वो हैबिट स्ट्रेंथ में लाना पड़ेगा अपनी प्रैक्टिस के साथ, अपनी मेहनत के साथ. एंड दिस इज द टाइम. अगर आपको ये 4 महीने मिले हैं, what I believe is ये आपके ऊपर है कि आप वो 4 महीनों को 8 महीने कैसे बनाते हो. Just come out of your bed. सोते तो हम जिंदगी भर रहेंगे, पहले भी सो रहे थे, आगे भी सोएंगे. We'll not die if you'll cut down on sleep. Believe me. उस समय को 8 महीने कैसे बनाना है वो आपके हाथ में है. सब चीज छोड़ दो, बस ये सोचो कि ये 3-4 महीने मुझे ये एग्जाम निकालना है, और इससे ज्यादा गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको नहीं मिलेगी. बिलीव मी, बिकॉज आपके ऊपर प्रेशर नहीं है अभी. यस, मेंस इज कमिंग. आप प्री से पहले ही आपके पास वो टाइम है कि आप एक अपनी नर्व्स को कंट्रोल करके अपना कंटेंट एनहांस करो, अपनी आंसर राइटिंग करो, ट्राई टू डेवलप डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव, ड्वेल करो चीजों पर, सोचो, कनेक्ट करो जीएस के साथ. सो यू हैव गॉट दैट टाइम. नाउ इट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू कि आप लोग कैसे करोगे, किस तरह से करोगे. द इंडिविजुअल विल पावर, आपकी इंटरनल ट्रेट्स विल कम इनटू पिक्चर एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम. ये सब आप लोगों को करना है, and then God willingly things will be just great.
I would
Don't
like
worry
to
about
intervene here. Yes,
it.
yes, yes. I would like to intervene here, ma'am. Siddhant asked, what are the good traits of the answer writing? That would all be cleared here. Don't worry about those things. As ma'am used the phrase कि सोते तो हम जिंदगी भर रहेंगे, right? इनमें से भी दो कैटेगरी है, देखो, जो सो रहा है उसे जगाना आसान है, पर जो सोने का नाटक कर रहा है उसे जगाना बहुत मुश्किल है। तो 90% ऑफ द एस्पिरेंट्स आर इन द सेकंड कैटेगरी, वो सोने का नाटक कर रहे हैं। व्हाई दे हैव कम टू दिस फील्ड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन इज जस्ट फॉर बूस्टिंग देयर सेल्फ स्टीम। दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू पेव द वे फॉर रिजल्ट, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू पेव द वे फॉर देयर सेल्फ फॉर देयर सिलेक्शन। As we say in normal English, we all are ready to go to heaven, but none of us is ever ready to die. You will have to work hard if you want to go to Missouri. As simple as that. You will have to make your things different from your competitor. It is a fierce battle out there. You are not the relative of the examiner that he or she would award you good marks, right? Don't have an illusory correlation that, okay, I have done this much, then I will clear this exam, and I have joined some classes, I will clear this exam. My friend has cleared, so I will clear this exam. These are all illusory correlation. Until and unless if you have get the hold of some topper's notes, it doesn't necessitate that you will clear this exam. Topper has done his or her own hard work to prepare those notes. As you must be clear in the psychological concept of self-generation by Slemeka and Graf, until and unless you put in your own effort to generate your own notes, you will never remember it, right? But yes, at the same time, I would like to add here that it is not possible for a aspirant, those who have to manage so many things in 1 year, to go through different books. Let's suppose if I ask you what you know in stress and psychology, 99% would say Henseli model, gas syndrome. Is it or not? Tell me frankly. But if I ask you what is the allostatic load theory in stress, which is the most dynamic view of stress at present, if I ask you what is the transactional model given by Lazarus in stress, so dear, you cannot do this much by yourself. That is where the role of the institute and role of sincere faculties come in, who can give you the enriched content, can make your job easier, but will never ask you to become dependent. I give you a very crude example again, because I have learned from my life only. I never had any so-called role model. I became my role model myself, to be frank, right? When I was preparing, I never met a person who could guide me so honestly, so bluntly, and can help me in decisive decision making. There is no one out there. People do not, 99% people, I admit, by in these 5-7 years, 99% people who are teaching, who are mentoring, they do not have exact idea of this exam, the exact requirement of this exam. Maybe it is their stars, maybe yes, you may be knowledgeable in some particular area, but the experience of exam is very important. Now I tell you, when in one of my attempt, I was writing the question of sensory adaptation. I also joined one of the Institute for Psychology preparation, but we never read sensory adaptation in our notes. But yes, as we know common English, I could gauge the meaning of the term, and I used a very contextual example to justify it. The room which I was writing the paper in, the fan of that room was making a noise like anything, a very coercive noise. Ghar, 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 ghar. So on the very first day, I was totally disturbed by the noise of the fan. But what I realized, optional ka exam last mein hota hai. I hope the people, those who have written mains, know it. ठीक है, तो लास्ट के एग्जाम के आने तक आई कंप्लीटली अडेप्टेड टू माय एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट. नाउ आई वाज नॉट डिस्टर्ब्ड बाय द नॉइज ऑफ द फैन. As today, I am not disturbed by the voice of my wife in my home. Let she say anything, but I am not disturbed now, because adaptation is a very
I'm
important
already
human.
on mute.
So you have to have certain brilliance to connect the things and your contextual environment in your exam, and that comes with experience. Maybe it is self-generated experience, or maybe you are in touch with some of the good aspirant. Acha, दूसरी चीज which I don't really appreciate about the aspirants today, many of the aspirants came to me. If I ask them what you are doing for answer writing, they say sir हमने एक ग्रुप बना लिया है, उसमें हम फ्री आंसर राइटिंग का सर्च कर रहे हैं. मतलब this is no so nonsensical and no so non serious attitude of the aspirant, जहां पे कि he or she knows the level of the competition of this exam, कि वो किन से the premier students are coming from IITs, from IIMs, from NITs, from abroad universities. तो उस केस में अगर तुम इतना नॉन सीरियस एटीट्यूड दिखाओगे अपनी प्रिपरेशन के लिए. अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ, तुम में से कुछ लोग मुखर्जी नगर, ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर में रहते होगे. अगर क्या तुम जब चाय पीने निकलते हो बाहर, डू यू फर्स्ट सर्च कि कहां फ्री की चाय मिलेगी, आज कहां फ्री का लंच मिलेगा, और यू प्रिफर द टेस्ट, द क्वालिटी? Then why to have such a non-serious attitude for something which is going to define your career and your life? Do not have. You join the institute, you join the course, you form a very serious group of something which wherein you can really add value to your preparation. Otherwise, you are completely cheating yourself, right? So please recommend a few of the basic books for studying for this optional. My first attempt is in 2022. The doubt has been asked by Anina. देखो basic books, Anni, perhaps you may start with NCERT. Then you have to go to the recommended books like Morgan and King, then Barron, then Atkinson and Hilgard. And there are other books which perhaps, if I name, would be the out of the scope of a aspirant. There is a book, Wayne Witten. Then there are particular books for every section of the psychology, right? For terrorist psychology, you have a book, ma'am could name it, right? For social psychology, there is a book, right?
Yeah, it is by Gerald Post, In Mind of the Terrorist.
Okay.
But it will be very tedious at this point in time to read it. You know, there's a book for sports psychology as well that recently I was going through. It's a good book though, right? The title is Contemporary Themes by Morrison Williams. But I think it will be a bit tedious, if you are aiming for 2022, right? So it's better to go by the basic books, dwell yourself upon them, thoda socho, make crisp notes, try to fit in on the basis of the, you can say, the syllabus topics. So then I think practice some answers. Pehle clarity of thought lekar aao, revise the content that you have, because I won't say that yes, whatever you have been reading till now, read notes or read anything, it's useless, because aisa kuch nahi hota hai, it's useless. Or it's just that yes, with changing times, you can say the relevancy of that material changes. Right, वही चीज पहले बहुत यूजफुल होती है, but because of the changing times, you need to add on a little bit more. You need to इधर उधर थोड़े हाथ पैर मारने पड़ते हैं. So that's it. This is how you should go about. Read the basic books, and then keep on revising them. Make your own notes, short notes. Because जब हमें 250 या 300 वर्ड लिखने हैं वहां पर, we have to drop in the key terms. आप बड़े बड़े नोट्स बना लोगे, इतने पैराग्राफ्स याद करोगे, तो इट्स यूजलेस. इट इज शेयर वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम. हाँ, वो पैराग्राफ्स को अपनी थिंकिंग डेवलप करने में, अपना एनालिसिस बनाने में यूज करो, बट व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग नोट्स, कीप देम वेरी शॉर्ट एंड क्रिस्प. बिकॉज प्री मेंस में जो 1-1.5 महीने का गैप होगा, उसमें वो इतने मोटे मोटे रजिस्टर्स आप नहीं पढ़ पाओगे. It is only those, you can say, the crisp things or the ready reckoners that you have created in these 4 months that will help you. बस वही काम आते हैं. I don't think so anything else would.
Yes, let me connect Gaurav. Gaurav is here. I got a text from him. So let me connect. So Gaurav was our student, right? He gave civil services interviews. This year also he is giving interview. And as told, he's already been selected in Uttar Pradesh Civil Services examination and got rank 11. So let's hear the golden word from a selected aspirant, what they have to share, right? Hello, Gaurav, are you there?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am.
So Gaurav और मेरा story, it goes long back, right? So कभी अभी तो नहीं. Definitely we will share. I love to share my stories of my preparation of aspirants and my own preparation with the students. So it is all few things also lies with destiny, that if one is meant to be a civil servant, then probably by through some link you will be connected to right people at the right time, right? तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. और coming to the preparation part, think out of the box, be consistent, be regular. You don't have to read the out of the world material, but definitely when the democratization of content has taken place, what we are seeing today, it was not in our time. Today you go with, जैसे पानीपत की धरती हो गई थी ना खून से लाल, वैसे आज ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर की धरती पीली पड़ी हुई है, येलोइश, with the so much of material on the road. Then UPSC is also in the dilemma कि हम क्या दें क्या ना दें. That is why they have started to giving you the example of essay. पहले देखो philosophical topics इतने नहीं आते थे. Now they are also playing smart. पूरा का पूरा एक section philosophical दे दिया है. They know that people have difficulties in writing philosophical topics. भाई अगर मैंने 4 साल प्रिपेयर किया है, 2 साल सिंसियरली प्रिपेयर किया, I can write objective essays. And an objective essay can get 110 to 115 marks, 120 marks, 125 also, if the language is decent, but not beyond 130. To get 150 plus marks again in essay, you have to have certain kind of element of differentiation, which is definitely I'm not going to share in this class. Are all tricks that were generated by me. Yes, Gaurav.
And just because in the pandemic time, I hope everyone is healthy and the preparation is going fine for all the students who are conducting this session. And for the benefit of the students and the aspirants, I am myself is an aspirant, though I have secured rank in UPPCS. So just a brief introduction of myself. I have graduated from IIT Roorkee, and then I have given UPSC interviews twice. I have appeared and will be appearing twice this second time this year. And then I have scored 10th rank last year and got the DYSP in UPPCS. So, and also to keep my whatever my experience crisp and concise, I have divided into 4 major themes, you can say. Firstly, the importance of the right guidance here, what you can get in from where you can get. Maybe you can consider the Rajendra Nagar is the place for the guidance, and the importance of the right guidance. And then I will be sharing, like Sir told about the self-study and the free coaching and how the mentorship can help you. And then coming on to the psychological aspect and how the guidance in psychology especially helped me and my fellow friends who have also got selected. So and now coming on to the right guidance aspect. So I joined Chrome in 2017. That was the year when I took second mains, and I took first main without the guidance of the Chrome. And in a year or so, it was just to give the kind of impact, the right mentorship. See, the core theme of my whole conversation will be the right mentorship. So the mentorship that I got helped me improve around 130 marks. So can you imagine the impact of 130 marks? How much was I wrong and how much was there to improve in my answers and the approach. So coming on to the mains aspect, see, the answer writing has so many things in it, so many things that it is whole process and it requires time. I was not aware about the importance of the conclusion in the answers. So you can imagine the kind of ignorance I was having. The major, I can say, and with the experience of my fellow friends who have got selected from, and they were the sole student of and the only taken guidance from the Chrome, that the one of the major thing in Chrome IS is the one-to-one discussion with the for GS, for example, or for psychology with the Mridul sir or Ravika ma'am. I wholeheartedly used to jot down the first 3 or 4 tests, whatever the issues those were highlighted, and in the next test I used to implement. So there might be some hard times. I tell you, see, sir or ma'am are never shy of pinpointing your mistakes or your issues in your answers at your face, right? But that is something the personalized test you can have. To be honest, in Chrome IS answer test series, the major fear was that sir know my mistakes or ma'am know my mistakes. And then when the next test paper I will be taking them for the one-to-one discussion, they will point out. And if I'll be repeating those mistakes, somewhere it will create dissonance. See, the people, I think the most of the students are here from psychology, so they will be understanding these terms. And sir and ma'am were at the core of my zone of acceptance. So I always accepted whatever they suggested. So that is something that the right mentorship and the right guidance can do to you. Then coming to the other thing, right, the free coaching and the self study. See, self study is required. 80% of the 90% of time, it's only the self study. You have to generate, you have to acquire a lot of content. You need to be thorough with your content. But the issue that I was facing and my psychology friend of those who were having the psychology as the optional at that point of time, see, there has been a gap, especially in this pandemic, because no other coaching institute, there was only one sir who was there. Now there is completely gap of quality content and guidance in psychology at this point of time. So we were requesting sir and ma'am to have this some program for the psychology. And in our time, what we were doing, we had taken coaching somewhere else, and then we used to take our answers. Though I enrolled at that point of time because the test series was not there in the psychology for the GS, but I was needed that help so desperately that I used to show my psychology answers to the sir and ma'am also, and we used to discuss. Even for the PCS, I requested to have this customized approach. Said, please see my syllabus. It is more or less the same of UPSC, and please help me. So, and it worked also, because just to give an instance, I scored 272 marks in UPSC out of 500. And then in the PCS, I scored after 400, 267 marks. That is, I think as of now, I have not seen higher marks than this in psychology in PCS. So that has worked for me. And and also the especially the psychology, since there are so many aspects. Firstly is the content. We need specific and the right content, because it is not available at one source in psychology. Those who have given one or more year to the psychology preparation as an optional, they know now that the right content and the complete content in psychology at one source is not there. So for that we need, that is our hard work that we have to put in, that how much we can study, but from where to study and how much to study. We It is always beneficial if we have someone to tell us that from where to study and how much to study. And then when your content is ready, ma'am has always told about making of concise notes. Sir has also guided how to make those concise notes. And within that particular 1 week, believe me, it is I think it is as equivalent of the importance as your whole preparation. How much you can concise, how much you can revise within that particular week. So that is the hard work you are taking for, I think, 3 to 4 months, that you have those concise notes prepared for that 1 week. So that is something you might get by your own, but if someone is helping you out, that it will take lesser time to achieve that, to get there. At least they are sharing their mistakes or their learning, so that we can take. And also, uh, one more thing from again the psychological aspect, we generally do not trust the people from the coaching personnel. Like, it is very difficult to trust at the first go. So it was also the same case, which I might say was my learning. But my fellow friend, who is also currently Prayas Kaushik, is currently in service, and he suggested me about the kind of benefit he has got from one-to-one discussion in Chrome IS. So that was very helpful. And then I helped and suggested this to a lot of my friends. And Vikram Singh is also another example. He's also got selected into Dynamics. So it is the kind of trust we have in our fellow peers is something that is higher. So I will suggest those students who are currently have got benefited from the Chrome IS, you just discuss with them. You have an interaction with them. Then they might guide you the best, that and you can you can trust them if they tell you, because I might give the suggestions of on my experiences, but you can, those who are there, you can interact with them also. You will find this common thing, like the one-to-one discussion with the sir and the ma'am is something which you cannot find anywhere else in the Old Rajendra Nagar. So that is, I think, more or less from my side, and my experience with the Chrome, and rest I give it, sir, please.
Thank you, dear. Thank you very much. And I hope you have not praised us something which we do not deserve, right?
Yes, sir. You have also. I'm a ethics student of ethics of you yourself. So hopefully, hopefully, I have not.
Right. I think I was able to incorporate some ethical elements in you, so that what
Yes,
you
sir.
have said, because I always believe, all of you out there, I always believe that success is very, let's say, very small, or if the I'm not getting the right word, success is very brief, rather, if it is based on the unethical aspects, right? Today I can call some aspirant, and it was I wanted to share, because I'm seeing that aspirants day in day out are misguided, right? So that is the biggest problem in the complete journey of a civil services aspirant, right? So I think we may get Vikram, who also wanted to share few things, although he's in, I told you, deputed in one of the hospitals, and has given the responsibility. In couple of days they have to prepare a 250 bed hospital in the Ramlila Maidan. So see, the what I wanted him to share, the benefits of being a civil servant, the immense satisfaction that you get. Correct. If anyone has any kind of doubt, one or few things, we will wait a few minutes for Vikram. Otherwise, we will continue, because we will take another half an hour for the things. Right. You all have to become a Vishwa Guru, as PM Modi says. Right. And today we are really becoming a Vishwa Guru. Is it or not? Okay, no problem, Vedangi. Today we have certainly become a Vishwa Guru, right? Because we have united the whole world in rescuing us from this pandemic. So at least we are becoming Vishwa Guru in some sort of sense.
Yes, when we are talking about this pandemic and this tough times, one thing that I want to share with you is that in this tough time, just gather that strength and courage to work for yourself first, for the society, for your family and parents. I mean, if you want to find support, just find support in your family. So what I want to share is that in this tough time, try to find the support in your family. अपनी पढ़ाई के लिए, अपने be it anything, right? Find support in them and try to support your near and dear ones, right? Because there is a sense of helplessness around. हर जगह पे हम दुख देख रहे हैं, so it's our duty to help out and uh, just take out few moments in the day to talk to your near and dear ones. Because in this a long journey of preparation, it's not only you who are preparing. एक बच्चा जब पढ़ाई करता है तो it's not only he who is putting his ears, his efforts. The same amount of effort is being put by his family as well. आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके मम्मी, आपके पापा, they are along with you the whole time. They are supporting you. Yes, कई लोग बोलते हैं कि हमारे ऊपर ये प्रेशर है, मैरिज प्रेशर, अदर प्रेशर. Yes, because they are also, feeling that thing around. So probably just उन्हें समझाओ, बात करो, try to find out ways in that. But ultimately, the unconditional positive regard and the unconditional attachment that you will get is what I feel is only in few relations, and one of them are your parents, your family, right? Agar wo support kar rahe hain, then I think there should be nothing that should stop you, because these are the events that everybody is struggling with. सबके uncertainty है. These are the, you can say, a 1 century event, right? तो वो उन चीजों को जितना इम्पैक्ट आपके ऊपर हो रहा है एज एन एस्पिरेंट, उतना इम्पैक्ट मुझ पर भी हो रहा है, या सर पर भी हो रहा है, या फिर एनीबडी अराउंड यू, इवन द एनिमल्स, दे आर गेटिंग अफेक्टेड. वी हैव सीन द रिपोर्ट्स के बिकॉज हम लोग लॉकडाउन में अंदर हैं, वी आर नॉट एबल टू गिव देम वाटर और फूड. तो वो birds they are dying, right? So just take out some moments and think above you. थोड़ा उधर एफर्ट करो एंड अदरवाइज जस्ट थिंक अबाउट योर फैमिली सपोर्ट. इतने मुश्किल वक्त में भी आपके साथ है, तो ये आपकी ड्यूटी बनती है पढ़ाई करना एंड अपनी विल पावर को इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग करना दैट यस दिस इज द टाइम दैट आई विल डू. बिकॉज जब हम चीजों को डेफर करते रहते हैं, चलो आज नहीं कल कर लेंगे, कल नहीं परसों कर लेंगे, दैट टाइम नेवर कम्स. एंड just make the best use of this time, just make the best use of the relations that are around you, so nothing grateful can happen. And उन बच्चों के लिए who feel that yes they are into this journey since last 2-3 years 4 years, they are you know into it, but कभी एक मार्क से रह जाता है या कुछ मोमेंट कहीं ना कहीं कुछ प्रॉब्लम आती है. सो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड बच्चे, भगवान भी उन्हीं के रास्तों में रुकावट डालता है, those who are capable and strong enough to push them through, right? So be the lucky ones, just feel that luck and just keep on striving. हम जितना भी effort करेंगे, one day will come, your time will surely come of realizing what you have worked for. आपने जो मेहनत करी है वो फल एक ना एक दिन जरूर आएगा, right? Even I didn't know that yes I will be guiding you people, I will be teaching. So there is a way for everybody, and feel lucky and feel that support, that system is around you that God has given you. And I would not shy away from sharing one you can say a very a close to my heart experience that and also I would like to thank my family around that has given me the strength to even work right now. It's always, it was before marriage, it was always my parents who were supportive, my near and dear ones. But I'm very lucky to find a family that I have increased my family in a manner that yes, even my mother-in-law, she is the ultimate light that keeps on pushing me to do something. She's like कि अगर आपने इतनी पढ़ाई करी है बच्चे, then why are you sitting? And why are you just in the kitchen? Why are you just taking care of your 1.5-year-old? We are there. अगर इस बच्चे का ध्यान रखना है, so it's your duty that yes, the people that are around you, it is your duty कि हाँ बच्चों का भी आप ध्यान रखो, जितना possible way में you are able to guide them, just go. I mean to start this psychology crash course, she was the one who was pushing me every day. She was the one who was waking me up and saying get up and get out of your bed and just start reading, just make your notes, because she has that heart wherein she's always pushing me, but probably she's not aware कि कैसे notes बनेंगे.
I think my mother thinks that we are still the aspirants, because when I was an aspirant, my mother used to wake me up at around 3:30 or 4. So she was having a disturbed sleep in the night. So she always used to call me up around 3:30 and 4 o'clock. That now it is the time to leave the bed. And I think it is only because of that, because I put in the right amount of effort at the right time. That today I am confidently able to share my experience and we are getting results. It is not a big deal to get a few results when you have thousands of students. But yes, when you have few hundreds of students and then you are getting results, it matters a lot, right? As we say, wrong doesn't become a right even if it is on the right side, and right doesn't become a wrong even if it is on the wrong side. A right will remain a right and a wrong will remain a wrong. So if you are preparing with a wrong approach, it will always be wrong. If you are preparing with the right approach, you will always be correct, and sooner or later, as Gaurav has reaped, as Vikram has reaped, you will also reap the result of your hard work. As a duty of an aspirant is that you have to find your weakness, you have to find your strength, you have to plug in your weakness on daily basis. You should not wait for anyone to ask you to study, because the biggest problem in everywhere in the world, I guess, that nobody wants to study. Given a chance, we would always like to spend our time without studying, right? But at times you study for the enjoyment, for intrinsic motivation, because those are things which will give you an edge in the exam. Because when I used to write mains, I used to correlate history in ethics history in psychology, economy in psychology, right? Then geography in ethics, then ethics knowledge in somewhere else, but in a very subtle manner. This is the art of answer writing skill. This is the art of mains. You have to get this differentiation with your experience, whether you learn or whether you develop your own insight. So as we say that the state has few responsibilities like Raksha, Palana, and Raj Dharma. So every aspirant has the same duties towards the exam, right? You have to display certain traits, certain officer-like qualities, certain bureaucratic traits, certain bureaucratic language, certain bureaucratic traits in your answers, right? And as I have told you, that one of the approach is to give you a bit of good content, wherein you do not have to run from pillar to post for the content. Again, I am giving you one example. If the question is on psychological theories and entrepreneurial behavior, a simple theory that comes to my mind or to anybody's mind would be McClelland theory of achievement. Is it or not? If you have read few books, acha, for one moment, I would like to pause here. And many students ask me, should we read Cicerelli or not? You should not read Cicerelli. If you have bought Cicerelli with a heavy weight on your heart, keep it aside. Cicerelli would not add much value in your preparation. Okay, so coming back, if psychological theories and entrepreneurial behavior, yes, McClelland is the basic that you have to write. But do you know about self-monitoring theory? Can you drop this word? Can you drop risk propensity theory? Do you know something about the support system theory? Even if you drop these keywords, the examiner gets an idea that this person has put in some effort in preparation of the optional. She falls in the category of sincere and serious aspirants. We must award good marks to these people. As simple as that. As I told you, you are not my relative and you are the main stakeholder. If you do not get selected, I won't be affected. Is it or not? But yes, as a matter of fact, because I was an aspirant, I know the hardships of an aspirant. If they are not guided well, the complete career comes. Dekho, as we say, the civil services is zero or all game, all or none game. Either you become everything or you come out as nothing. And the people, those who lose confidence after, otherwise तो क्या देखो, इस अटेम्प्ट में नहीं तो नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में हो जाएगा. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? अभी आराम से करो. अगर नेक्स्ट में भी नहीं हुआ, उसके नेक्स्ट में हो जाएगा. 6 अटेम्प्ट तो ही है. इज इट और नॉट? लेकिन 6 अटेम्प्ट के बाद क्या? ईदर यू बिकम ऑल और यू बिकम नथिंग. और उसके बाद टू ब्रिंग लाइफ ऑन ट्रैक इज अ वेरी हार्ड जॉब. So till the time you are in preparation, try to maximize it, try to utilize it either by hook or by crook, and get into services. And that is all from my side, I think. And if you people have any doubt, we do not have much to share as of now, because rest of the things would be taken in the respective courses, right? Any specific doubt if you have for this time period, you may ask us.
Few answers. How should they be written and what is the need? So what we can do is we can share some of the scripts with you all so that you have the idea about answering. I think that will be good.
Yes, that would be okay, I guess, because they will have the time to analyze. We will see. Our whole team was down with COVID. So yes, we will be definitely sharing the links. Students, those who are not connected to me, I'm in Telegram. You can join me in my personal channel. The link of the, it is with the name of Mridul Purohit, right? So all those who want to stay connected with me, I keep sharing few things on GS and few success mantras.
So again, to sum up, what I would want is that just relish the support of your family, do the hard work, be disciplined, right? And just sit down to study hard. So this is the high time, the big opportunity for you all to, you can say, realize your dream. You have that time, just plan out, just strategize. आपका पूरे दिन का जो हाथ है, it should be, you can say, your hand either should be marking things, or you should be jotting down, or you should be writing something. Okay, I'm really going to say that if 2 months are okay for the option. Yes, 2.5 months would be a good time for the option. Yes, of course, it is good enough to, you can say, practice as well as revise the things.
If you are saying that you are devoting 50% for prelims preparation, that more on you appeared in before. If this is first attempt and then you are devoting 50% time of your prelims preparation, then it's okay, right? But if you have already appeared in prelims and you have done a decent amount of preparation already in prelims, then I don't see any reason that you should devote 50% of your time. As I said in my earlier webinar, you devote 2 hours consistently to prelims as of now, 1 hour to newspaper, and then 1.5 to 2 hours to read, study static material. But then 7 to 8 hours you give it to your optional plus few parts of GS mains. Because mind you that without this preparation, no, you will not have the confidence. That is very important. That with theoretical support, then you have to write a good examples from your surroundings, a good amount of let's say research work. Even if you do not know the name of researcher, there is a misnomer and misconception in this complete preparation that until and unless you drop the name researcher, you get marks. This is conception. That is why I say too much of a practice where it civil services is being complicated deliberately. People believe until and unless we create a fear factor, there won't be any outcome. No. Yes, right fear appeal has to be there, because as I said, if you do not prepare, the right place for you people is the grave in terms of the civil services success, right? We cannot live in false premises that I study for 3 hours and I will become collector. No, do not have such foolish dreams, right? And if you want to kill your dreams, share your dreams with the average people. Share your dreams with the negative people if you want to kill your dreams, right? The people who could not do anything in life, they want others not to achieve anything significant in life. Okay, so first of all, be mindful with whom you are sharing your strategy, with whom you are sharing about your dreams to become a civil servant. A very average people will never appreciate your decision. And it is a common psychological psyche. It is a common psyche, right? So I hope almost all the doubts have been answered. In a nutshell, we have been able to communicate about the course. We were able to communicate about the preparation, what you must do. We were able to create a certain amount of fear appeal in you, because that is required, certain amount, right? If that is not there, you won't be sincere and serious towards your preparation. And after few results, it is all or none game. You decide on which category you want to fall. You want to fall in the category of Gaurav Sharma, or you want to fall in the category of somebody else, right? I'm not saying there is no life after UPSC. See myself today, I see myself as an accomplished person, because I have used my experience of civil services preparation and guiding many of the students. To us, even the people, those people came who were said outrightly that your selection is not possible. And today, I feel very proud to share that even those people are in the service. So that depends how you guide people. A common person, a common mentor, a very average mentor cannot identify your weakness and guide you. Why you go to a doctor by seeing a degree if one is an MD, right? And for civil services preparation, you want to go for free services, free answer writing. Now, this is completely irrational mind, unreasonable thinking, right? And it completely agrees to the thought of Amartya Sen, argumentative Indian. We can give arguments even to save anything. We can give argument for anything. We will justify free answer writing services. No, not at all. It is not possible. Why there are no other services of free outside? And first of all, mind you, it is, as I told you, you are the most important stakeholder. If you do not want to get selected, if you do not, as I say simply, interest comes from interest. If you are not interested in your selection, I will not be interested in your selection. Gaurav was one person who consistently in 2 to 3 years used to make notes, whatever suggestion we gave him in psychology or GS, he used to write. Even I asked for his diary to show to future aspirants that how one aspirant should be. And I hope he would be surrendering that diary to me, because I have the intellectual property right on that diary.
Sure, sir. I will be sharing that.
Oh, you are there. That is very good. Otherwise,
Yes,
I will be going to the highest court.
no, sir. It is all your suggestions that is there in that diary. So nothing,
Yes.
nothing. Yes, sir.
So I will show to the future aspirant. So that is all from my side and from our side. I wish you luck. Be safe, be at home, and prepare well. It is a very accomplishing service, civil services. Nothing can give you satisfaction as civil services can give you. No corporate job, no monetary benefit. Nothing can give you the satisfaction that civil services can give you. That services are matchless, are class apart, right? Few civil services, even in the state service, the SDM and Deputy Superintendent of Police, there have been such examples who have done phenomenal work, phenomenal. We cannot imagine even that, right? So that is where I end. And a few last words from ma'am.
I just saw a few messages which wanted to discuss something about paper 2. Just 2 minutes on that. But for paper 2, what you need is, paper 1 is the theoretical aspect of any optional, right? The theories, the theoretical aspect, you can say the different viewpoints, it's all about that. And paper 2 is about the application part of the theories or paper 1, right? So keeping that straight in your head, what you need to do is, whenever we are approaching anything in paper 2, you need to divide your answer, or whenever you are studying, you have to you can say divide your notes into 3 aspects. The first will be the theoretical outlook to that topic or the answer, wherein we will be focusing on the theories that have been discussed in paper 1, right? Then the second aspect would be your research perspective, that what recent research work or things, investigations have been done in taking those theories forward, right? And then the final and the third aspect in paper 2 is, which is very important, is the examples, the justifications that you give, the real life connections that you can make. So this is where you can say the depth of understanding reflects, and your balance of thought is reflected in paper 2, right? So and more we'll be discussing in the classes, right? The focus would be to make you as I say, self-sufficient in paper 2. It's very easy, provided but if you are not making the notes in the right direction, and you are not before reading the topic, you don't have that mindset wherein you need to divide the things from that perspective, then sorry to say, keep on reading ample number of books, ample number of notes, you will not be able to score good in paper 2. It requires a bit of creativity, and it requires a bit of strategic note preparation, right? That we'll be discussing in the classes side by side. Whenever I am dealing with any topic from paper 1, I'll be telling you the correlates, that yes, you can fit it in this point, you can fit it in here, right? And when we'll be visiting that part, suppose we are discussing about sports psychology or terrorism psychology, we'll be revising in that manner only. So all the things, in that 2.5 months time, you will be having a good, you can say, knowledge base, the good skills to, you can say, transfer from here and there. Don't worry about that. That we'll be discussing over there. And even if you feel that, yes, you have sufficient revision and you have good hold over your answers, your answer writing, your thing, then I would say that then you should continue with that. Then there is no need to join the classes. So it all depends upon you. You are the best judge of your preparation. If you feel that yes, you are falling short in on any of the aspect, then it's a sincere request that yes, take timely action, join wherever you feel is right, but do join, do take the mental support, right? And just utilize these 4 months, or rather the 8 months that I was talking. It's all in your hand. How you will utilize the time, आप कैसे इसको निकालोगे, कैसे वो करोगे, right? It's all upon you. And believe me, if once you are determined, I'm very sure वो chain अपने आप बनते जाती है, right? Miracles do happen when you are determined. It's all in your hands. जितना मेहनत करोगे उतना deep you can dig. I'm always there to help you out, right? But ultimately it is you who is going to do all the hard work. And शायद यही reason रहा है that in GS also we never launched a foundation course. We always planned for the mentorship classes, right? Sole reason because each individual is different. Sitting down for 3-4 hours and doing nothing doesn't make sense. So it's always better join somewhere wherein that effort is balanced. You have that direction and you are putting in the right amount of direction in the right place. So that will help you sail through. So now it's all up to you. And I hope you have a bit of insight about how to deal with psychology. Still, if you have some doubts and you want to discuss things, do drop an email at the official email ID. I'll be very happy to help you out. My duty, of course, wherein I am there for all of you. Right? So with this, I wish you good luck. And just after this webinar, take 15-20 minutes out, thank your parents, thank your friends, connect to them, and just sit down then on the table, not in the bed, right? Just sit down on your table and chair and start your planning, your strategizing. Take out कि मुझे आज इतना कवर करना है, इतना कवर करना है, इतने टाइम में मुझे GS करनी है. Just make a plan. Don't wait for tomorrow. Just take 15-20 minutes. You'll feel very good and light when you thank people around, those who have supported you. Believe me, वो खुद ही आपके अंदर वो एक एनर्जी आएगी that yes, I'm on the right path and I'm there. Right? So take out 15-20 minutes, have a glass of water or coffee, whatever you like, and just sit down on the table. Just, there's no time wasting. Let's start and begin the journey together. And some of you are asking about the topics that we'll be starting. So I think we'll be starting with topics like perception, intelligence, thinking, problem solving. So just to give you an idea, right? So all the best, do good, and come on, let's just start a good study plan. So with this, I take your leave, and again, see you again. Bye-bye.